Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu says, in a journey, 130 persons were accompanying the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked, "Does anyone of you have got any food?" That time a man had approximately 4 kilograms of food, flour, so that was needed. Meanwhile, a polytheist with hair disheveled and long stature came driving the herd. So the Prophet ﷺ said to him, "Are you ready to sell any goat or give it as a donation or said as a gift?" He replied, "No, but I sell it." The reporter says that he ﷺ purchased a nanny goat from him. He ﷺ then commanded to roast its liver. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, each of the 130 men got their share of that liver. Those who were present were apportioned their share, and shares of the absentees were set aside. Then the mutton was put into 2 dishes, and we ate it to our satiety, and even the food was left in the both dishes, which we loaded on the camels, or what he said. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5382.